Welcome to Via Amore. This is a one-of-a-kind opportunity to own a home that you can do your own whale watching right from your patio deck. This view is unmeasurable. There's no other thing like it in Villas del Mar. This home is a 5-bedroom, 5.5 bath, 2-car garage, and the list price is $6,650,000. I would say brand new construction, never been lived in. It's amazing. Let's take a look. Undoubtedly, the best feature of this house is the outdoor space. You come to Cabo to be outside. Although the interior is amazing, this exterior has everything you can imagine, from cooking, dining, living, and even recreation. We have a pool table, so everything you want is right here. As you go inside, you have an open kitchen, interior dining, and living space. Great opportunity to watch the sports on the weekends, all the while watching whales. It's a special place. This kitchen is a chef's dream. If you look, it's amazing view while you're cooking. You'll probably be distracted while you're trying to prepare food, but it has all Wolf appliances, Sub-Zero refrigerator, dining space right here on the island. So this kitchen is functionally amazing for a chef and your family. This may be the coolest feature in the entire house. If you have kids or grandkids, they all want to pile in together, and this room takes them all. You can sleep 8 to 10 people, kids, in this room. It'll be great. Who doesn't want their own basketball court right in your backyard? Imagine waking up every morning, stepping out on your patio and having this dynamic view of this beach, white water, and of course, again, the whales.